Hey guys, today I will show you how to connect Laravel with React.js. So, in order to do this, first of all set up your Laravel backend by creating a new Laravel project or using an existing one. Then set up your API endpoints in Laravel using routes and controllers. Make sure that your API returns JSON responses and enable CORS, that is cross-origin resource sharing, by installing the fruitcake/laravel-cors package or editing the app/http/middleware/handlecors.php for Laravel 9+, so React can access your API. Then set up your React frontend. Create a new React project using npx create react app or your app. In your React app, install the Axios or fetch for API calls. For example, npm install Axios and connect React to Laravel API. In React, use Axios or fetch to call your Laravel API endpoints. Example using Axios is just right here. You can see this. It will look something like this. Make sure that you use the correct API route and your Laravel server is running and accessible from your React app. Run both projects because usually Laravel runs on one port, for example 8000, and React on another, for example 3000. Both should be running for full stack development. Optionally, you can deploy them together. For production, you can build your React app, npm run build, and move the build files to Laravel's public directory, or serve them separately and connect to the same API. And your React frontend and Laravel backend are now connected. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.